You think you're just tired, but something is controlling you. You wake up and lose your first hour without even noticing. You say you want to focus, but your brain wants something else. You know what you should do, but you don't do it. Because your brain is addicted to easy dopamine. Every scroll trains your brain to avoid hard things. And slowly, you lose control of your own life. But here's the truth. It's not you. You're not lazy. You're conditioned. And the moment you take control, your life starts to change.